Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at the bulls are back in Nvidia stocks price action in full force. So with that, before going further, as always, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. How high can we continue? We'll talk about all of that in this video as well and all that good stuff on the price action. With that, please hit the like and subscribe. Okay, and let's jump right into it. So we are on Nvidia breaking out above that $184 level. That was an important breakout that I was talking about. That will add already the strength incoming on Nvidia stock that I talked to you guys about at this candle. It just gonna, well, before this candle actually I told you that we may push higher because I was seeing early telltale sign. Let's get to the hourly interval real quick. I was seeing early on my tools actually. Let's turn the other one on. And I already told you that some rebound is building, and as we get above the cloud over here especially, we can push to 178 and then thereafter 184. Yes, we did a little bit go sideways there, but then we eventually did a full break in the full force. Now if you have access to my tools, you would have taken plays here, take some profits here, re-enter here on the green again. You are making money left and right, unquestionable. So while we are doing that, let's also go to the daily interval, because again, this is the advantage of having access to my tools. Let's turn on this tool again. This is where our telltale signs were, right? Because hourly interval was bullish, combine that together with the daily over here, the green structure, and elements are adding up of strength. And right, we are still actually bullish, right? So but the thing is that we have added more and more strength in the price section here on Nvidia, and but the start even on the daily was right over here, and I told you guys at this candle as well that strength is coming in Nvidia. Again, if you have access to my tools, everything is so easy peasy for you. Now let me show you another thing. Let's get to the day trading side today. Oh, what a day. What a day. Money making day. Every day is a money making day, guys. Okay, let's turn on this tool again. Still in the bullish structure, and technically it was a bullish play for you today, right? Even from the beginning almost, and we got above the cloud as well. We are still in the bullish structure. Right now, Nvidia is a little bit resisting at the next significant level above, which is expected. Again, all marked by my tools. Get access to these tools, guys. Links are in the description of this video. 188 is where a little bit we are resisting, but that doesn't change the fact that Nvidia will remain bullish going forward from where it is. You can have your trailing stop loss below 184 to 182, and above that everything for now on Nvidia is bullish. How high can we continue? Nvidia has a room to test again 212 at this point. So, and maybe we'll make another highs, but the thing is that as long as we stay above 184, we stay above 182, everything is just going to be fine on Nvidia. That's all I had for you guys in this video, and with that, we'll see you in the next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.